Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. Before continuing, like us on like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says simplify square root of 25 all over 5 minus square root of 24. So we are going to simplify this equation into a simplest format. So this will become, we have here solution. So we are given square root of 25 all over 5 minus square root of 24. So this is what we are given. So this can be written as 25 all over 5 minus square root of 24 all to the power of 1 all over 2. Because square root here is the same thing as power of 1 all over 2. So here, if you look at here, this parenthesis here is in the short form. And we recall that when we have something like this, we multiply both the denominator and the numerator by the conjugate of the denominator. So this will become 25 times 5 plus square root of 24 all over 5 minus square root of 24 times 5 plus square root of 24 all to the power of 1 all over 2. So this is what we have. So multiplying this out will give us 25 into 5 plus square root of 24 all over. We have here a result of our solution of difference of 2 squared. We recall that when we have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is same thing as a minus b all into a plus b. So this is what we have when we have difference of 2 squared. That is the solution. And if you look at this denominator, it is in this form, a minus b into a plus b. We have 5 minus root 24 into 5 plus root 24. So here we will express this in this format. So that will become 5 to the power of 2 minus square root of 24 all to the power of 2. So in this case, we multiply this out. We remember all to the power of 1 all over 2. So multiplying this out, 25 times 5 is 125. Then we have 25 times root 24. We will have plus 25 root 24. All over, we have this 5 to the power of 2 is 25. Plus these 2 will cancel here and 2 will cancel square root. Then we have, okay, here is minus 24 all to the power of 1 all over 2. So this is what we have now. So now this can be written as this 125 is same thing as 75 plus 50 will give you 125. So we can replace this with what we have here. So this will become 75 plus 50 plus 25 into, we have not into square root of this 24 is the same thing as 6 times 4. We have 4 times 6 all over 25 minus 24. Okay, here was 24, not 25. So we have 24 here. Here was 24. So we have 24. 25 minus 24 will give us 1. So all to the power of 1 all over 2. So this is what we have. This can be written as, we can further simplify that as, this will give us 75 plus 50 plus 25. This can be written as root 4 times root 6 all over, we have 1. So we are not putting all over 1 again. This is all to the power of 1 all over 2. So this is our new equation. So now this root 4 can be simplified as, so we have 75 plus 50 plus 25 times 2 times root 6 all raised to the power of 2. So we are still going. So now the next step is for us to further simplify this. This can be broken down into, you have 75 plus 50 plus 25. This 25, we can write this as square root of 625, because square root of 625 is 25. Then we have here times 2 times root 2 times 3. So this is what we have. So now we can rearrange this. This will give us 75 plus 50 plus 2 times root 625 times 2 times 3. So this is what we have now. So here we can further break this one. Okay, we remember all to the power of 1 all over 2, all to the power of 1 all over 2. We can further break this one down to have 75 plus 50 plus 2 times square root of this 625 is 25 times 25. So we have 25 times 25 times 2 times 3, all to the power of 1 all over 2. So that is what we have. What we are driving at is for us to have 75 and 50 inside here. So this is the same thing as 75 plus 50 plus 2 times square root of, if we multiply 25 times 2 times 25 times 3 all to the power of 1 all over 2, then we have this as 75 plus 50 plus 2 times square root of, we multiply 25 times 2, we have 50. Then we have 25 times 3, we have times 75 all to the power of 1 all over 2. So that is what we have now. So the next step, you can see that we can break this one down individually. So we have 75 plus 50 plus 2 times root 50 times root 75 all to the power of 1 all over 2. So now you can see that we have 75, 50, and 2 times this. We can further break this one down because we are arriving at somewhere. We will arrive there, we see it. Now we can further break this one down. But if we say we have something like square root of a all to the power of 2 is the same thing as a, because 2 will cancel here and 2 will cancel here, it will become a. So if we have 75 is the same thing as square root of 75 all to the power of 2. You see the same thing. So we are going to substitute this, expressing this 50 and 75 in this format. So this will become, this is square root of 75 all to the power of 2 plus square root of 50 to the power of 2 plus 2 times square root of 50 times square root of 75 all to the power of 1 all over 2. So that is what we have. This is the same thing. If we make this as a and this as b, we will have something like a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 plus 2ab. What this means is that this is the same thing as a plus b all to the power of 2. If we have something like this, a plus b all to the power of 2 gives us this. So here we have this result here. So we are going to express this parenthesis as this. So let's move over to this other side. So we clean this. As we said, we have this. And so we are going to express the whole of this as this. So this will become square root of 75 plus square root of 50 all to the power of 2. Because we have raised to the power of 1 all over 2. We have 1 all over 2. Or we can further break this one down. Transferring this to this other side, we have square root of 75 all to the power of 2 plus square root of 50 all to the power of 2 plus 2 times square root of 50 plus square root of 75. All this is square root. So that is what we have. So we said before, we want to express this in this format. Let's keep this aside first. I don't want this to confuse us. Then now, expressing this in this format will give us square root of, we have here square root of 75 plus square root of 50 all to the power of 2, because the inside the parenthesis here is what we have here. This place here is what we have here. I hope we understand. So now here 2 will cancel here 1 and 2 will cancel this square root 1. So this is what we have now. We are now left with square root of 75 plus square root of 50. So now we can further simplify this as square root of 25 times 3 plus square root of 25 times 2. So this can be written as square root of 25 times square root of 3 plus square root of 25 times square root of 2. We have square root of 25 here and also have square root of 25 here. They are common, so we can factor it out. So we have square root of 25 into square root of 3 plus square root of 2. This. So square root of 25 is 5. So this can be written as 5 into square root of 3 plus square root of 2. So this is our final solution for this question. You can see that we have succeeded in simplifying this to the simplest solution of this question. If you like what we do here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.